Hello everybody and welcome back to FZM Studio. Round 2 in today's video is the speed test between the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the new Google Pixel 6a. So, a quick introduction to the Google Pixel 6a for those who are new here. The Pixel 6a was released a few months back, and most importantly it has the Google Tensor chipset. The Tensor chip is what is used in all of the new Pixel lineups, including the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Google's custom Tensor chipset resulted from a collab between themselves and Samsung. It's no slouch. The Tensor chipset CPU performance is comparable to last year's Snapdragon 888 chipset, which you find in flagship models such as the Samsung Z Fold 3 and S21 series. So I do expect decent performance, speed and efficiency here, but can it compare against Apple's A16 Bionic chip? Let's find out. So I'll run several new apps and compare the launch times. Let's go. Right, let's get things started. First app, let's go into YouTube. The iPhone coming out just a bit quicker there. Next up, second app, let's go into the Tesla app. And there we see the Pixel 6a coming out. Google Earth, iPhone. Just get the app going and we'll come back to it later. Right, Xbox. Okay, iPhone. A few seconds on both phones to load up the app. Moving on, let's go into Snapchat. You guys can be the judge on that one, they're both very quick. Moving on, Reddit. iPhone was just right there. Shazam. Looked equal on that one. Again, you guys be the judge. I'm going to try to go through this quite quick. PS app. iPhone milliseconds ahead. Twitch. Again, milliseconds, but the Pixel is keeping up. Spotify. iPhone definitely ahead here. Okay, so let's go into Among Us, first game. Now, I've had issues with the Pixel 6a for gaming, and yeah, we can see the iPhone coming out ahead here. For some reason, I'll reload it and it might work this time. As you guys can see, we're in quite quickly. If for some reason gaming has been a bit of an issue with my testing. Next up, Temple Run 2. Let's see if the Pixel 6a can bring it back. And we've got the loading screen and oh, Pixel 6a coming out a little bit quicker here. First app. Tell the differences. Interesting. So just get the apps running and we'll come back to it for the RAM management in a little moment. So next up we've got Angry Birds 2. Loading times quicker on the iPhone. Again, the app is testing both the CPUs on both phones. And we're in on the iPhone. So once again, let's get the games warmed up. And we'll return in a short while for the RAM management. Right, next up, Call of Duty Mobile. Let's see how the CPU handles this game. It appears the iPhone just edging it. Ooh, Pixel landed the screen quicker. Loading bars very quick on the iPhone. You guys can see the A16 Bionic doing its thing. Coming in quicker and beating the Pixel 6a. A little bit of a trouble on the Pixel 6 at this moment. Asphalt 9, another intensive app to test. Let's see how the Pixel 6a handles it. Loading times looking good on both phones. Let's see if the Pixel 6a can... Oh no, iPhone coming in ahead. Once again, the iPhone flexing its muscles. And let's end it with Subway Surfers. It's a fan favourite, of course. And again, absolutely super quick on the iPhone. Unbelievable. And Pixel 6a doing a good job, but you guys can see the test is going in iPhone's favour. Excellent stuff. Okay, next up the RAM management test. Let's see how well the apps have been held in memory. And we're going to whiz through this. Let's go. I read the Pixel 6a has had a few issues with its in-screen fingerprint sensor. For me, after the latest software update and patch, I noticed it did work a lot smoother and a lot better than before, as you guys can see. The overall size and position is ideal, and you'll find it being very easy to use. The compact form factor of the Pixel 6a makes it an already comfortable phone to use, so the fingerprint sensor works very well here. Now, moving to iPhone, sadly, there's no Touch ID whatsoever. It's a shame, as it's the #1 feature I really want to see come back, and eventually I think Apple will bring it back for the iPhone 15 next year. Okay, let's finally boot up both phones and we'll see which one comes out the fastest here. And 3, 2, 1, go! Pixel just got the edge. That is very quick from both iPhone and Google, so fair play to both of them. Extremely quick boot up times, which I like to see. So, let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Google has finally mastered the A-series formula with the Pixel 6a. From price to performance, it's a clear choice to shortlist if you're in the market. I'll do a follow-up video with a comprehensive breakdown of the Pixel 6a in my review. Drop me a comment if that's something you want to see. It may not be as quick as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but then again it costs a third of the price. And shipping the 6a with the Google Tensor chipset is a great incentive as well. As for the iPhone, well, it's the A16 Bionic. It's incredibly efficient and it will take something special to beat it. And that is why there's plenty more content coming up with the iPhone 14 Pro Max here on my channel. And again, I'm really looking forward to reading your comments, leave some suggestions, and I'll try my best to make it happen. And again, I'm really happy to be back, making content, and I'm here to stay. So, thanks so much for watching, guys, and showing your support. Keep it coming. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always, guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one.